Clark. Cute.
Got room for 2 more.
I think my bra fell off.
Pleasure,
Like all the way.
Oh yeah. Oh, all right. I'm at the back seat.
That's really cute.
Is it pic?
No!
No, it's video. That's it.
That's video and you just aged him about 7 years. Put your hands on me, Jack.
Jack? Jack? Jack?
Jack? Get back, Jack! I got it done!
Okay.
Why is it so fun? It's like a little bit springy and
Yeah.
I am having the time of my life. Like just walking.
Because you're used to wearing your tap shoes.
True. Shuffle ball heel.
Oh no.
Aww.
Quick, you don't know where that ground has been.
Ain't that the truth?
What'd you say?
Ain't that the truth?
Yeah.
Captain Hook.
This is the most comfortable swing ever.
Should I try to do this?
Yeah.
Do you think it'll work?
Uh-huh.
I think it'll be the most painful thing I've done
No,
in a
I
long
think you'll
time.
fit.
Not bad.
That's the hottest thing I've ever seen.
Is it?
Yeah.
Seriously though. Captain Hook. Won't you throw the book at the pirate? Do you think I can get up here?
Uh-huh.
I don't think
Oh, you were so close.
Yeah.
So close.
Push me. This works. Wow.
Spider.
Oh, we have spider. Should we?
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, it'll hold, I think. But can you move your legs? Move your head. Move your lying hips. Cute. Clark, do a double dog dare us or something.
Just changed.
You an underdog?
Yeah, do that. While filming.
Just nervous right now.
No, you can't. You can't.
This is meant for like a 20-pound kid.
Yeah.
No, this one is a wheelchair one.
God. No, but
that what
You
this is?
retard. Is it?
I don't know, you just said it was. Is it?
Yeah. It's, I think. I think. Babe. It hurts. It hurts. It hurts my eyes.
good job, kids. You're really good at pumping.
Do it more. Do it more. Do it more. Higher. Higher.
That's all I got.
Ow. Waff.
Laugh on.
Here.
Okay.
You're done. Now watch it come crashing.
What if it did? I get off and then boom. At least he'd bounce. Right?
Oh no!
like right on that.
Yes!
Did that hurt?
It didn't hurt? Are you kook?
I landed on the bump.
I get bump.
That was amazing.
Clark, I really wasn't expecting that at all. Do it again.
Can you stop videoing so we can watch that?
Yeah.